Let's talk about why is Java platform independent. This is one of the most commonly asked Java interview questions, and it's important to get it right. It falls under core Java, and understanding this deeply will set you apart. Let's get into it. When you compile a Java program, Java produces platform-neutral bytecode, .class files, not platform-specific machine code. This bytecode runs on any machine that has a JVM installed. The JVM acts as an abstraction layer between the bytecode and the underlying OS hardware. This is the write once, run anywhere principle. Now, why does this matter in interviews? This is Java's founding principle. Interviewers ask this to check if you understand the compilation model. It also explains why Java is slower than C++ at startup, bytecode interpretation, but competitive at runtime, JIT optimization. Let me go deeper. C++ compilers produce native machine code that's tied to a specific CPU architecture, x86 ARM. Java's two-step process, compile to bytecode, then interpret JIT on the target machine, trades startup speed for portability. Modern JVMs with JIT compilation close the performance gap by compiling hot bytecode paths to optimize native code at runtime. Let's look at the code for why is Java platform independent. I'll walk you through each section. First, notice that step 1, compile, produces platform-neutral bytecode. Then, javac myapi.java myapi.cl as. Then, step 2, run on any platform with a JVM. Then, Windows, Java myapi. And finally, Linux, Java myapi. Take a moment to study this code. The patterns here will come up in your interviews. Now, let's talk about the gotchas, the traps that catch people in interviews. First, a warning, not 100% portable. File paths, line separators, and native libraries, JNI, can break portability. Use file.separator and system.line-separator. Here's a dangerous trap, JVM itself is platform dependent. You need a platform-specific JVM. Java code is portable, the runtime is not. And a pro tip, Vora in practice. Enterprise apps run the same jar on Dev, Mac, CI, Linux, and Prod, Linux, without recompilation. That's Vora in action. Keep these edge cases in mind. Interviewers specifically test for these. So here's the key takeaway. Java achieves platform independence through bytecode plus JVM. The bytecode is universal, the JVM is platform-specific. And for your interview strategy, compare with C++. C++ compiles directly to machine code, fast but platform-locked. Java compiles to bytecode, portable but needs JVM. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Java interview prep. Let's nail that next interview.